Memphis.
So today we're going to be working on this 2008 Volkswagen GTI. I got it for a pretty good price. So the plan is to fix it up and sell it. Really the main things that I'm going to be working on are going to be bring these headlights back to life. The front bumper has some cosmetic damage that needs to be replaced. And then the wheels have plasti dip on them and they're pretty nasty, so we're going to try out Dip Your Car has this chemical that you can use to remove your plasti dip, so we'll test that out, see how that goes. And then I have rear rotors that need to be put on. So welcome to this very first series, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's take a walk around the car. So here's the first of the damage. This bumper is basically held on by zip ties. So that needs to be replaced. Next, like I was saying, these headlights are super hazy, and buff those out, make those look brand new. Telling by the scratches on the bump mark on the bumper, it looks like somebody already had tried doing that. So we'll put in an episode for that. Next up, I mean, overall it looks pretty good. There's some rust that he tried preventing, which is normal on these cars. The wheels, like I said before, have a nasty plasti dip, so we just bring it back to original to stock as possible. But I give it a good wash and it looks pretty good. However, some areas like the hood, there's still some rail dust and some minor scratches. So here's some of the rail dust and stuff like that I can definitely get that out with a buffer. Again, here are the wheels on this side. Rotors were replaced on the front. I have a new set that I'm going to be replacing on the rears. But overall, not too bad of a car. Here's also a little scuff mark that I'll be able to take off with the buffer. Overall, paint looks not too bad. I mean, at least you can see the reflection. And then some more rust in that area and on the fender. But overall, not too shabby, honestly.